Dreadmaster. Draw 5 community cards before revealing. Ask the opponent to name 2 communities or colors. Place correctly guessed cards in the neutral area and the incorrectly guessed cards in your loyalist. So Dreadmaster is legendary. It is a gamble, but it's a good gamble. So I'm going to draw 5 cards, and I'm going to ask the opponent to go ahead and name 2 communities.
I will say the entertainers and religion, and that would be brown and orange.
So for fun, one at a time, we'll reveal. So blue, that's for me. Brown is for the neutral area. Blue for me again. Green for me, that's 3. And another brown, but this time it was a negative, so it actually saved me. So overall, performed very well with a good 31-point move.
Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.